How to fix black screen on Windows. First step, open up Task Manager, search for Startup Apps, click it. If you are not using the startup application means you need to disable the application. Important thing, you no need to disable the inbuilt application, make sure it and move on with next step. Restart the drivers, press Window key plus Shift plus Control plus V key. Your screen should flash briefly and you may hear a beep sound. Once complete, after move on with next step. Click Settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click Check for Update and update it and move on with next step. Search for Device Manager, click it, click Display Adapters, right click the drivers and click Scan for hardware changes. Once complete, after close it and move on with next step. Search for Control Panel, right click, click Run as Administrative and type the following text sfc space/scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. It's verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it and also it will notify you which location and which file have corrupted. Once complete 100% it will notify you. Can see there is no corrupted file here. Exit it and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text. Clean mgr. Type it, click OK, select the drive, select the files and you can view the files and click OK and delete it. Once complete, after you can check it. If the problem still have, the last and final step, click Settings, click System Settings, scroll down, click Recovery Settings, click Reset PC and follow the on-screen instruction given. Choose an option like keep my files or remove everything, depends on you. You can click it and follow the instruction. Thank you.